Alright, everybody, we will be playing Subway Surfers. I'm back again. It's been a few days since I haven't played because I said I would be here always in days, but I lost track of my days. So let's just play. Come to Unblock Games, see all these games. Let's get to it. I'm just going. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Ease. Everybody knows how to play Subway Surfers. I'm too good at this game. Nobody can't beat me. I have a question. Where does the trains come from? Skateboard time. See, I'm too good. Yeah, where are these trains coming from? Ooh, I was about to die. About to die. I told you nobody can't beat me. Oh crap, how did I get hit? It's going way too fast now. Yeah, too slow. Too slow. These trains are too slow. Where are these trains absolutely coming? Oh, I didn't get the H, no. Oh, dang it. Wait, do I have the key? Oh, I got a new high score, that's good. Okay. Wait, hold on, I want to see characters. Can I get anybody? Wait, no. Wait, I think I know who I want. This guy, I really like this guy. I like this guy. I like the black stuff. I like his black outfit. Yeah, let's go again. I'll do one more round, and then I will be done. Tomorrow I will be doing Geometry Dash. So, come see it if you want to see it. I think that's on the 3rd of December. I'm pretty sure. Just saying, if you want to see my videos, go to my video place. Oh, for real, where are these trains coming from? Nobody's gonna get me. Nobody's gonna get me. Hey, you can't get me. Oh. I got mixed up. Hey, look at this. Hey, yo, this one is going too slow. Oh, no. The train. Oh, got another high school. I told you. What's in this box? Oh, magic skateboard. Hi. Just saying, if you want to come play the stuff in Unblock Games, I'm gonna show you two stuff. If you want to play that game, it's in here. I might play that someday. So here it is. You can play Five Nights at Freddy's, the other video I made, or the body one. You gotta do my hack at the other one body I did. This game is pretty fun. Strategy. Among Us I will be doing soon. I might. I'm gonna see you later, Geometry Dash. So that's it, everybody. See ya. Bye bye, and subscribe and like that video. Bye bye.